Hello friends, how are you doing? I hope you are doing good. This time is something like you have to be only with yourself and maybe with your family. So I know it's a difficult time, but you have to do as it is the need of the day. And so I thought of painting something. I wanted to actually paint something very simple and sober with a few colors, and I thought that would be best fitting to the time. So in today's video I'm going to draw one dolphin, and later on I'm using water for that because I'm using watercolor pencils. So this is how I'm doing. So let me know how you are doing if you are home quarantine or if you are making space with people. But I guess you are not mixing with lots of people. School, colleges, everything is closed, and you don't have much opportunity to go out. So in this time I think we should best utilize our capability we should develop one creativity or hobby. So this is what I'm doing, and I love doing paintings and drawings. So this is what I'm doing today. Let's see. You can also draw with me. It is very easy, and it's going to be very fun. When I did one dolphin, I like to do one more along with it, so it would be more lively, it would be playful, I feel. And so you can think it's a baby dolphin, or you can also say it's a little bit far away than the bigger one, so it looks smaller. Anyway, that's up to you, but I like it doing two rather than doing only one dolphin. So I hope you like it, and I color it with take a little bit of water, plain water, and just mix up all the colors. I'm using sky blue and ultramarine blue for this painting, and a little bit of black here, as you can see, on the eyes, and nothing else. So I hope you like it. Share your views and how you are doing, how you are spending time, how you are engaging the kids and your family. And okay, so let me tell all what you are feeling about the time in the comment section, and also give me your suggestions. Thank you.